I'm sitting right here in this new constructed bridge, and behind me you can see, yes, behind me is the famous Carmen Bridge, and I have a deck of cards here, and I'll show you some magic, and later I will reveal it. We'll just wait for some passers-by so that I can show them the magic. So, you see the deck of cards? It's all random. See? That's all. Oh, I can see someone coming. Excuse me, Mr. What's your name? What's your name?
Francis.
Francis. He's from Xavier. I want to show you some magic. Are you willing? Okay. You see this deck of cards? I will. Okay. I'll go down. I'll shuffle it first. Right. Oops. Okay. I need you to pick a card. Any card. Okay? Don't show it to me, show it to the camera. Okay? I don't know that, okay? Okay, then I will shuffle, then you say stop. If you want.
Stop.
Okay, put it there. Then if you want, you could put it into half. Okay. Put it into half. I'll try to guess his card. This is quite hard, you know, because his card. Okay. Okay. I have a card here, and it's 3 of spade. Okay. And I'll give it to him. That's your card. Okay. No, don't open it yet. And I have another card. Look there. Without touching, I have the 3 of spade.
Oh,
And what's that? Is that your card?
is that your card?
No?
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 You're lying,
You're lying. Look at him, he's ashamed.
Oh,
Hey,
hey,
come
don't
back
run
here.
away.
You're in, you're in YouTube.
You're in YouTube.
Yes.
So,
And thank you. I'm Jason Cotamora, also known as Batman. And compliments to Francis Juan for his new Nokia N73 phone. And to Benjo, yes, that's Benjo, the video man, yeah.
Maniniyot.
maniniyot.
And thank you to this new bridge,
Mayor Haraula.
to
Mayor
Mayor
Haraula.
Haraula.
Yes.
And, yes. No thanks to Mayor Imano. He's very corrupt.
No, don't say that.
No. Okay, he's not corrupt. He's
No,
just
we can be charged
smoker.
for libel.
Yes, he's just a chain smoker. That's
Oh, okay.
all. He's not corrupt, okay?
No. Can you mock his voice?
Yes,
Saying
I'll
goodbye, the
try.
goodbye.
Okay, I will
Okay.
copy his voice.
Okay.
Mga sugilanon ko, mga taga-Cagayan de Oro. Nagpasalamat ko sa kining bagong tulay nga gihimo ni Mayor Haraula. Kini siya actually ako ning proyekto. Tungod ni sa mga taxes nga ako nakuha sa mga sigarilyo. So ginaawag ko kamutanan nga manigarilyo mo. More of hope. More hope for cancer. Thank you.